Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 10B of chapter 10 percentage. Question number 2 is written here. The monthly salary of a typist is rupees 15,625. If he gets an increase of 12%, find his new salary. So, monthly salary equal to monthly salary equal to rupees 15,625. Increase increase 12%. 12% means 12 by 100 of 15,625. Easy method. 15,625 multiply by 12, after that divided by 100. So 15,625 multiply by 12. 5 to the 10 of 0, carry 1. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 6 to the 12 of 2, carry 2. 15 to the 6 to the 12 of 2, carry 1. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 1, 31. 1 time 5, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 1. Now add it. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 2 plus 2, 5, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, carry 1, 5, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 3, 8, and 1. Here, 187, 5, 00 by 100. It is cancelled. So rupees 1,875. Now new salary. New salary equal to add increment. So 15,000 rupees 15,625 plus rupees 1,875 equal to 5 plus 5, 10 of 0, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 of 0, carry 1. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15 of 5, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1. So rupees 17,500. Answer of this question. Write it. Students, next question is question number 4. 96% of the cost of a TV is rupees 10,464. What is its total cost? What is its total cost? So let total cost be rupees X. Let the total cost of a TV be rupees X. Let the total cost of a TV be rupees X. According to question, 96% means 96 by 100 of the cost of TV, total cost X, equal to rupees 10,464. Now that implies X equal to rupees 10,464 multiply 96 by 100 by transposition change into 100 by 96. So divide it 4 times 24 4 जा 24 4 जा 96. Now it's also divided by 25 4 जा 25 4 जा. Let's first of all divide 10,464. 24 4 जा 96. 4 times 4 2 जा 8 2 and 4 24 4 6 जा 4 6 जा 24 6 1 4 जा 4 2 24 so 4 6 जा. Now 4 times 6 4 जा 24 4 6 जा 4 6 जा 24 2 1 4 5 जा 4 5 जा 20 and 1 6 4 4 जा 24. So 6 times divided 6 times 6 1 जा 6 0 and 6 9 जा 6 9 जा 54 equal to rupees 109 multiply by 100 so 10,900. Answer of this question. Write it. Students, next question is very important question of question number 7. It's question number 7. 36% of the maximum marks are required to pass a test. 36% of the maximum marks are required to pass the test. Pass a test. A student gets 123 marks and is declared fail by 39 marks. Find the maximum marks. So let the maximum marks be X. Let the maximum marks be X. According to question is saying that 36% of the maximum marks are required to pass a test. So 36% means 36 by 100. of x, 36 by 100 of x equal to 36 by 100 of x is the pass marks, and a student gets 123 marks and is declared fail by 39 marks. So 39, 123 plus 39 is also a pass mark. So both are same. That implies 9 4 ja 36 and 25 4 ja 100. So 9x by 25 equal to, add it, 9 plus 3 12 of 2, 9 plus 3 12 of 2, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5, carry 1 plus 1 6 and 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 1. That implies Ax equal to 162 into 9 by 25 by transposition change into 25 by 9. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 9. 162 is divisible by 9. So divide it one time. 9 1 ja 9. 16 minus 9, 7. 7 and 2, 72. So 9 8 ja 72. Now multiply 18 by 25 or 25 by 18 also. So 25 multiplied by 18. 25 8 ja 200 and 25 1 ja 25. 450. So maximum marks is the 450. Answer of this question. Write it. Students, next question is question number 10. After deducting a commission, of 5%, amount cost rupees 15,200. What is its gross value? So here we have to find the gross value of amount. So let the gross value of a amount be rupees x. Let the gross value of a amount be rupees x. Now according to question, x minus deducting 5%. 5% means 5 by 100 of x equal to, after deducting commission 5%, amount cost rupees 15,200. So rupees 15,200. Now solve it. 25 ja 100. That implies x minus x by 20 equal to rupees 15,200. Now here LCM 20. 20x minus x, 19x equal to rupees 15,200. That implies x equal to rupees 15,200 multiply 19 by 20 by transposition change into 20 by 90. So 19 8 ja 152 and double zero equal to 8 2 ja 16 rupees 16 1 to triple zero. So 60 rupees 16,000 the gross value. Right? Students, next question is question number 13. Sonal went to a school for 219 days. Sonal went to a school for 219 days in a full year if her attendance is 75%. If her attendance is 75% and she went to a school for 219 days in a full year. Find the number of days on which the school was open. So let the required number of days. Let the required number of days be x. Let the required number of days be x. According to question, Sonal went to a school 75% and 219 days. So 75% means 75 by 100. 75 by 100 of x equal to 219 days. That implies x equal to 219. 75 by 100 by transposition change into 100 by 75. So divide it. 25 4 ja 100 and 25 3 ja 75. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12. 219 is divisible by 3. So 3 7 ja 21 and 3 3 ja 9 equal to 3 4 ja 12 of 2. 3 4 ja 12 of 2 carry 1. 7 4 ja 28 plus 1 29. 292 days. Answer. Now homework. Solve exercise 10B. Solve exercise 10B. Question number 1 to 14. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10B, question number 1 to 14.